Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back today, September the 15th, 2022. We are going to talk about Clover Health. Yes, we're going to look at the market in Clover Health. And could people have buyer's remorse? I mean, Clover Health was a SPAC back in 2021, and it had garnered a whole lot of hype on YouTube. I mean, everyone was pumping this up like it's going to be the new type of health investment corporation or business. And here we are today. $2.36. Do you think people have buyer's remorse on buying this stock? Quite possibly. Now, you guys can see in front of you that there isn't a price prediction on the chart. I did a video in Clover Health. The last one was in August the 9th, 2022. I did a video and I didn't drop a price prediction. I was like, well, I want to get confirmation first. I wanted us to see buyers take out $3.50 or that top portion of this horizontal line, right? And you guys can see where we at today. See, sometimes it's very good for us to not act or buy or sell or trade. Sometimes you just need to come in and look around and see if there's anything here, because that saved us from actually being hesitant and jumping on board a sinking ship. Price in Clover Health completely fell since my last video on August the 9th. Now I'm back again, and hopefully we can see something here today. And if it is, I will give you all my ideas to where price is going to go. And then at the end, you can give me yours. All right, how about that? So now, you all appreciate my videos and my content. Hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe here to get more of my content. All right, now let's talk, because seeing that Clover Health did not maintain its price above this ascending line, right? Instead, we fell below it. We are not in an uptrend. That's the first thing that I want to get out there right now. We are not in an uptrend, period. So let's get rid of it. Why do we need to try to put things on our chart that is not applicable? It causes nothing but confusion. So zooming out, you guys can see what's really going on. Okay, we can see it. The market in Clover Health is merely in a trading range. You can see this, right? We notice that price in Clover Health is trading sideways. Okay, here it is. This is how the market is trading in Clover Health. We are nearing the point to where buyers come in and buy up this stock. We are nearing that area. So should we buy today? Let's see. We're going to look at this on a 3-day chart first. Okay. And it doesn't look too positive. Like, we're not getting a lot of volatility in Clover Health. These very small price bars tells me that a lot of people ain't really paying attention to Clover Health. That's one start for us to know when we may need to get on board. Now, outside of this area being support right here. Okay, we can see that. This is the closest area to where buyers first approach the market in Clover Health. The next area is going to be down here. Okay, that's around like $2.15. So from price being at $2.36 to $2.15, like, that's not a big difference. So like 20 cent different. The next level though is going to be completely $2. Okay. This is Clover Health on the weekly chart. All right, we got 1 day and 9 hours left on this current weekly price bar, and it goes in combination with all the other ones, right? So when we look at these weekly price bars, let me show it to you. We do have a lot of weakness on the chart. We can see it. These arrows are pointing down to how weak the market is in Clover Health right now. So currently, the market doesn't look bullish. Currently, on the weekly chart, is still weakness. 2 weeks. Okay, let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it real. This area right here as well is going to be seen as resistance. It's not a play here unless you're trying to short the stock in Clover Health. It's not a play here. We're not in a trend. We're not in a trend higher. We're not in a trend lower. we're just trading. It's just a tradable market. This is Clover Health on the 5 weeks chart. Now, given this, okay, now I gotta keep it real. That doesn't look good at all. This last completed 5 weekly price bar, that does not look good. It looks terrible for those looking for price to go up. I'm just gonna keep it a buck. That is why we're still seeing the lack of interest of higher prices in Clover Health right now. So, how would you look at this market? Well, for me, I don't see it as positive. I still see it as weak. I still see it as weakness coming into the market in Clover Health, and that we're not going to get too much in terms of price action. Not right now. Okay. So yeah, of course people have buyer's remorse. Like, look at where we've seen price in Clover Health trade. Just last year, a year ago, June 2021, when all of the hype was being garnered on social media about this stock. Buyer's remorse is real. Somebody bought Clover Health all the way up there around $28.87. And now we're sitting at 92% loss for that person who is still holding at $28.80 something cents. That's buyer's remorse for real. So I still don't see nothing here on the chart that we have a play here right now. Not yet. So just like I did last time, just going to leave it alone. I'm not going to come in and drop a price prediction because as I look at what's been going on, there's nothing here. Not yet. So we need to wait until we begin to see buyers come into the market in Clover Health. Now, whether it's going to be at $2.36, whether it's going to be there, or at $2.15 or $2, those are the three levels that I will be eyeing for us to see buyers come into the market in Clover Health. Until that time, there's nothing here for us to look at. I mean, because the market can only go down to zero. So if you're trying to short this stock, you don't have that far to go, which limits your chances of profitability or profits. So I'm done. I'm not going to waste too much of your time. There's nothing here. I just wanted to give you all a stock analysis, a stock update for Clover Health, and show you my expectations. There's nothing here yet. We just need to wait until the buyers confirm support. All right. So now give me your thoughts though. It is your turn. Give me your price target, price prediction in the market for Clover Health as we see the month of October quickly approaching. Do you think it's going to be a positive month in October for Clover Health? Maybe, maybe not. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.